Okay, this is recording quality, so hi, my name's Scott. Today we are showing you this sewer line camera system. You can use it for personal use, for your business, or related. Now, I love how it comes already spooled and on the stand. You don't have to put it together. There's no fuss, there's no mess. And go ahead and open this up here and take a look. Here's a monitor, and the whole system is all packed nice and neat. All right, so when we turn it on, we can see here. Now we're going to be using this mainly for when we do our own little miniature well in the back. So we can see down just to see if we hit water or whatnot. But we will demonstrate it. Now you guys, you have your different menu and settings and stuff over here. You can adjust brightness. You can flip the angle, time, format the SD card for video. You can go over the video and all that fun stuff, and just recording. So yeah, you just tap record, tap it again to stop. Now the camera's not going to show it as good, but look at the quality. That quality is phenomenal. Like, that is extremely professional quality. Yeah, I'm very impressed with that. Very, very impressed. Recording. So yeah, you just tap record.